So this is a Bharat Krishak Samaj program. Many of you are members of Bharat Krishak Samaj. Many of you have attended Bharat Krishak Samaj programs. There are a few people who have come for the first time. I welcome them and I thank everyone. Bharat Krishak Samaj is a farmers organization which deals with policy advocacy, and we are very, very grateful that Nand Kumarji is here, who's mentored Bharat Krishak Samaj for so many years. Thank you, Nand Kumarji. Your mere presence here gives us hope and confidence to do things that we would not have done otherwise, like write yesterday's article. We would not have done it without your this thing. So thank you so much, and we are very grateful that Somanathanji from the Ministry of Finance, Secretary Ministry of Finance is here with us. It's also really heartening that you, sir, you agreed to come, and as promised, we are started on time. Thank you so much. Vijaypal Sharma ji is here. I will thank him last because I meet him so often and I can count on him, and Bharat Krishak Samaj can count on you for sane advice. And Vijaypal Sharma ji has been so kind to us. Even before he became CACP chairman, he's been attending our programs since before that. Thank you so much for the continued association. So we will have a very short program. This is just a 1.5 hour program. We will run it very Delhi-like. We will start on time, we will end on time. And Bharat Krishak Samaj, like I said, deals with policy advocacy and deals with farmer prosperity. That is our primary goal. And we want to do it in a food systems approach where we stop working in silos and we work in a systems approach. Before we start, when we start, I think so. First, we will take this opportunity to, I will not introduce the report, but the NABARD gave Bharat Krishak Samaj a program to do an assessment of farm loan waivers in India, assessing impact and looking ahead. So we were choosing 3 different states, Nand Kumarji, like you know, which states to choose. So when the report started, we chose 3 states because it was a BJP ruled state, it was a Shiv Sena ruled state in Maharashtra, it was a Congress ruled state in Punjab, and it was a BJP ruled state in Uttar Pradesh. So we thought that to make it less politically contentious, let us take states ruled by different parties and do an assessment. Because all farmer organizations say that we want farm loan waivers, but research had not been done to a point where we knew if farm loan waivers were helping or how much were they helping or how they could be improved upon or there were better alternatives available. And we are very fortunate that Shweta Saini ji, Siraj Hussain Saab, who's also an advisor to Bharat Krishak Samaj, and Pulkit, who works with them, have had agreed and done this study for us. So Shweta Saini is the principal investigator, and I was nearly going to say instigator, but principal investigator and an agriculture economist and promoter director of ARCUS Policy Research now. You were not Policy ARCUS Research when we started, but you are. So you have progressed with the report. And Siraj Hussain Saab needs no introduction. You've been former secretary for so many ministries, for FCI and other places. And thank you so much, sir, for always being available to advise and guide us. And Pulkit is a co-author whom I have been lucky to learn. He's like young members of Bharat Krishak Samaj. This is the future. The young economists are the future. So I will ask Shweta if you will just present the report. And once your report is presented, then we will take, then Somanathan Saab will give his comments on it. And thank you everyone for coming. And I would request everyone in the audience कि कोई सवाल नहीं पूछें. प्रोग्राम के बाद समय मिलेगा, फिर हम बातें करेंगे. जैसे प्रोग्राम छपा हुआ है उसको वैसे ही अपने चलाएंगे. श्वेता जी, थैंक यू सो मच. थोड़ा हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके आप.
Good afternoon, everybody.